Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking budget but very effective smartwatch. This is called RunMeFit and the model number on this called Watch 4. This is a jam-packed smartwatch. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. And here are all the components that are part of the box. Comes with this quick start guide. And once you open it, it is in different languages. Now that's not the only thing. When you open it and you go to the back, it has more languages on this too. But the one we require is going to be right on the top, which is going to be English. So you can see that starts from activating the watch itself, changing your watch, downloading the app, pairing the app itself, also watch what you can do and what you cannot do with this. And going next will be precautions and also some learning. There is a little QR code that you can scan, which will help you out. The next part is going to be the charging cable itself. So let's just take it out. As you can see, one side is USB Type-C and the other side is just a charger. It does have the two little magnets. Two inside of it will be the one that charges it, which makes it very simple to process, and we will show you. And it comes the actual watch itself. I really like how it is. It's very light, by the way, but it makes sense why. And the band itself is also very nicely selected and done. So let's just open that first. And we will go to the watch itself. So yes, it has a little sticker in the front. And let's take that out. Very satisfying to take it out. And then when you go to back part of it, you do have the sensors. Also the charging bit is right on the top part that sits on top of your hand. Now it doesn't have any kind of parts to take out, which is good. And then going on one side of it, you do have the little part for a speaker. And then when you go on the other side, you have the buttons. So one is rollable and also click, and also the bottom one is clickable. Enough said about it. This is how the watch really looks. Let's go next and turn it on. So in order to activate this, you have to make sure that you put it in a charge, and then you will get this screen itself. Now through this, you should be able to select your language. So in this case, mine's going to be English, and then it will tell you to download the app. So let's go there. We're going to hook this up to a little stand, and so it tells you to download the RunMeFit app. For that, we have to go to Google Play Store, and we got to make sure that is in the highest bit. Once you go to Google Play Store, go to search and type that name, and it should be coming up first one on the list. So we will select it. Wait for a couple of seconds to come up. It's not the first one, it's the second one. We will click on install, and it tells you to click continue to go next. It does not require any payment, so it is free to get it from their website, and we are processing it. Once it's done, click on open. You have to click on the agreement. Once the update is done, you have to go back to your watch, select English, just like brand new. You have to set it up again, and now you will be able to pair it. Now we already paired it, so this is the first screen you will see. So number one, we will go through the watch and then through the app itself. Now for the watch itself, as you can see, everything is there that you're looking for. Number one is going to be the main screen itself. You can click on it to see if you can change it. And if there is more faceplate, yes, you can change it. Now it only comes with 4 for the meantime, but once we go to the app itself, we can check for more. But if you scroll from the top down, you will be able to see all of the settings for your app that you can set up. So number one will be your display itself. See exactly how bright it is. Remember, the brighter that you put, the faster you will lose your battery. So that would be one thing. And then another thing is when you go through, you can lock it, you can put a timer on. You also have your menus, and there you go, how you want to take a look at it. So you can change the apps to be different. you can put it as an actual app. So now you will be able to see all the apps that are part of this that you can play. So if you want to go to settings, it's all available here that you can play with. But what I am really looking for right now is when you press this once or you press it twice, what happens? So it does have the heartbeat monitoring too. As you can see, it is blinking in the back. So that makes it very cool, you know, that, okay, this is going to work. Now there are different fields out there that you will be able to process and go next. I really like this faceplate itself. You have everything there. And once you go to a different one, so say for example, I want to go to this one, you have the analog view and plus the digital view. On the side of it, it tells you exactly what time it is. This is incorrect. Anyways, we have to sync it properly in order to make this work. But this is how it will look when you're going into this part. So if I have to select this one, you can see that how nice it is to play. Again, it's brighter than the other watches that I have played with. So that's why this one really sticks out for me. It is not dim and it has not been pixelated. When you look at it from any angles, it looks really slick. And this is what I'm always wanted to play with, is something like this. So the watch works really good. You have to remember that it goes off and on. So once you load the app, and when you go in the bottom, you have your user ID. All of the information is there. I have to mention one thing, that for some reason it lost connection with this one. You can see it right now, it's connected. And I do have 91% charge to it. And it says connected. Now these are the faceplates. Now number one is, a lot of you going to ask is, how many faceplates can you have? And these are the ones that is there, but you can click for more. So there's not many there. Right now I only see 9. And we can select this. And then at the bottom it will tell you to download. So this is how fast it is to get the part to be downloaded. And then you can see on the screen already says downloading. So that means it's already been connected. And now we're going to get it. And that's what we are waiting for. So once it's done, there you go, it's already been changed. And this is how nice it looks. So we will put it back. And now when we go back into the actual app itself, we click back. So these are the other ones. And then what you can also do is at the bottom, it says App Center. So you can click and there's more apps. So it will give you your world clock. Also going to give you a good time management app. The next part is going to be the glucose study and the blood pressure. Now I haven't tested these two. Again, it's a really good watch to have. It has a lot of potentials and options right now to this. So that's why we are just talking about this watch right now. The other part is events. You can see that health. Now going down, you have more options, even if you want to take a picture when you have it. And then when you move your hand to side, there you go. See that? The camera started. So that means it took a picture. It just saw that my hand on top is processing it and it took a picture. So this is how easy it is to process taking pictures also. And if you want to find device, you can say confirm. Now it will find it for you. Go in through the app itself. And it will also find your phone if you missed it anywhere. It will start buzzing. Even if it is under silent, it will still make it work. Another part is goals. So you can set up a goal on what you want to do, walk certain amount of steps, you want to run certain amount of kilometers. It's all going to be there. You can also factory reset it and also world clock. Now, if you want to put this on a map and you want to go for a walk, this will work really good because it will tell you exactly which streets you took. In order to go, you can see the whole map over here. And then this is how this one really works. And another part is going to be the main page. Now this will show you exactly how many steps you have taken. Right now I'm not processed anything because I'm testing another watch, but you can see that everything on this is running properly. And I know this will work really good for you. You can see on the top that it's just doing a sync process. And once it is all up to date, you can see everything on this. All the links will be available at the bottom of the video, except that this was our take. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.